Hey guys, today we are grocery shopping right here at Walmart for school lunches. We're gonna go see what's going on in this store and how we can make our children's school lunches with more plants, less sugar, less food coloring, less preservatives. So we can provide them with more fuel for their fabulous brains so they can have more memory, more focus, more concentration, less anxiety. Hi, my name is Dr. Anna Maria Temple and I am your holistic pediatrician. My mission is to help inspire, educate, and empower families to raise healthy kids in this unhealthy world. So in today's episode, we're going to Walmart. Let's go shop. All right, well, let's see what's going on with different organic produce. So here's our whole organic section. Here we can do charcuterie bento boxes. We have organic tomatoes. We have sliced tomatoes if we're going to make some burgers, sliced onions. We have organic potatoes that we can roast and put in thermoses. And of course, avocado to make our own guacamole. Other section, we have apples that we're going to slice and do the rubber band trick like we talked about. You have oranges. We have lots of different, kiwis. Don't forget amazing vitamin C in this fruit. Now, take a look in the veggie section and see if we have anything organic. Oh, look, you can do a nice mix, so you can put this in for a burger bar or salad in their lunch boxes. Look, all kinds of spinach and green. And then look, we even have organic celery. We can do ants on a log. I'll show you that in just a second, but we have organic celery. We have the organic carrots that you can put in lunch boxes. For a lot of kids, they don't like those because I frankly think they taste like, not great. They taste like nothing. And I purchase usually these that I do not peel. I wash and then I slice. They have much more flavor. And so a lot of times kids don't like carrots in their lunch boxes because you're putting this, which has some weird water that who knows what kind of stuff they put in it. Anyway, I'm a big fan of these. More flavorful, less watery, chemically thing. And as usual, when we're talking about fruits and vegetables, yes, ideally we would love for everything to be organic. In Walmart, purple indicates organic. So there are a lot of options, but if in the Walmart next to you, there's not a lot of organic options, fresh fruits and vegetables trump Doritos or organic crackers anytime. All right, let's see what's going on here. Oh, look, we have Follow Your Heart dairy-free cheese. Let's look in the ingredients so you can have them. Right, I mean, I'll say real cheese is better than this cheese, but if your child is having dairy issues, there's options at Walmart. And then we also have the vegan chow slices. So you can see here if this might be an option for you. And of course we have little guacamoles, and then we have little salsa for a little Mexican fiesta box. A lot of people really love these little bite guys. And, because oh, look, no artificial colors, made with real blueberries. Ooh, it sounds like there's plan points. Until you look in the ingredients, notice the number one ingredient is sugar. You look at how many grams, it's 14 grams of added sugar in one pouch, which means that you're giving your child more than their half of their daily maximum of added sugar. Remember, a child's daily max of added sugar is 24 grams a day, and this is 14 grams a day. This is a no. Look at soybean oil, we can't. All right, when it comes to breads, it's always a conundrum, isn't it? Well, we have thin organic bread here, and here's tons of ingredients. It's so hard to find bread that has minimal ingredients. It has 2 grams of added sugar per one slice, but it is organic, has lots of good seeds in there. And are this organic Arnold's bread, a lot less ingredients going on here. We have 4 grams of added sugar. We have more fiber, 3 grams is per one slice. I gotta tell you, even if it has more sugar, I would pick this one versus that one. Then of course we have Dave's Killer Bread here, also organic, thin slices. Here are all the ingredients, so a lot of ingredients, organic, 3 grams of added sugar, 2 grams of fiber. I mean, I still think I would go with this. In the gluten-free section, we have gluten-free bread, multi-grain, 1 gram of added sugar. This is not organic. but it's gluten-free. I can't get both. Like we discussed, if you buy any wheat products, you really want these to be organic to minimize glyphosate exposure. Glyphosates are associated with neurological issues, endocrine disruption, and many chronic health issues. Let's look in the frozen meat section. What do we have? Oh, look! We have organic, gluten-free chicken strips for those lunches. And here's the ingredients. Okay, so once in a while, kids have some chicken nuggets, and it's gluten-free. Other things that we have is we have chicken breast tenders that are gluten-free, and then we have non-gluten-free whole grain ones. So a couple varieties of organic chicken nuggets. Oh, what else do we have here? Oh, we have Applegate chicken nuggets that are gluten-free. It's excellent. Here are the ingredients. We also have organic chicken strips from Applegate. Fantastic. Y'all know we just talked about peanut butter on my Instagram stories. Look here, we have organic peanut butter. Looking at our organic peanut butter, you always wanted to turn around to make sure that there's just peanuts and salt is okay. This very fancy situation here, if we turn it around, it's got organic palm oil. I really prefer that we don't have any oils in our peanut butter. So what if you can't have peanut butter? Well, then you can do sun butter. This is sunflower seed butter. The ingredients are sunflower seed, sugar, and salt. I'm not loving the added sugar, except that's what we have here at Walmart, and this will just have to do. All the mayonnaises, I would choose this one. It's not organic, and we do have some palm sugar in there and EDTA. However, this is better than this, which has got, we love olive oil, but it's got canola oil, soybean oil, modifying cornstarch, disodium EDTA as well. So, you know, we have to pick what we can get from here. So this is all I can do at this hour at Walmart. Sometimes the youngsters need condiments. This is my favorite ketchup, and it is available at Walmart. And then we need some barbecue sauce. This is also fabulous, organic with no sugar added. Free, this may be an option for you. Char bread is gluten-free and egg-free. Not all the products are egg-free. Burger buns are egg-free, and the ciabatta rolls are egg-free as well. Meat section, see what's going on here. Oh, look. Organic grass-fed ground beef. Amazing. Here are the prices. We have more patties. They're already made in patties for you. If you don't want to, this great burgers for lunch boxes. This make a meat pasta sauce for lunches. What if you want soup in a thermos in your child's lunchbox? That's all right. Look at this. We got organic vegetable broth that you can use to make your own soup. We have chicken broth. We also have bone broth over here, chicken, organic, so you can make your own soup. If you like making your own broth, here, the lentil vegetable canned soup is a great solution to put in your child's thermos lunch boxes. I'm looking at the ingredients. Take a look here. But this, if you guys are getting confused, like, oh my gosh, how are we putting all this together? Don't worry about it. We have put together an ebook with lunchbox ideas from Costco, Target, and Walmart, and all these things I just showed you. We're going to show you how to put it all together. So do not worry, it's coming out within the next 7 to 10 days. These are empty of pasta, so I can't show you pasta options. Oh yes, I can. What? The only pasta. Here, look at here. Chickpea pasta available at Walmart. Boom. What are the ingredients? Look here. Chickpea flour. Done and done. How lucky is that? And what sauce can we get here? They're all filled with sugar and things that we don't like, except of course one of my favorite brands right here, available for you at Walmart. Where are the ingredients? Let's look. Flip it over. There we go. Amazing. This can be so full of chemicals, and organic is best. Look, all this variety is available here at your local Walmart. How about that? We need some chips for our salsa and our guac and lunch boxes. Oh, check it. My faves, the Siete, of course. Let's look at the ingredients. Amazing. They even have a dairy-free nacho. Let's see what that's all about. Oh, that's reasonable. Sweet. And we have this. Sometimes you want a little something sweet. And, you know, we want our popcorn always to be organic due to all the glyphosates and all the GMOs. So there you go. The yogurt conundrum, of course, as always, right? Here we go. My favorite are going to be Stonyfield plain whole milk is my favorite. If you need to mix it with a little bit of vanilla, I prefer it's full fat, but that's all we got here. You can mix this 50-50 to do a yogurt and lunchboxes. The rest of the stuff is no bueno. Those were our finds today at our local Walmart store. I hope this was helpful. Please leave me comments and suggestions so I can help you, empower you, and inspire you to raise healthy kids in this confusing and unhealthy world. My name is Dr. Anna Maria Temple. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos, my shopping at Costco, Target, on breakfast, lunch, and dinner ideas, and the ebook is coming soon.